and boom, look at that. Look at that shit. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. For today's video, I've got a very exciting product that I'm actually stoked for. Sitting in the passenger seat right next to me is something special to me. It's a cool ass product. It's a product that I've honestly been looking for my whole bloody life. Before I show you guys the products that you already know what it is because you clicked on the video, let me go back in time a little bit and show you guys me unboxing this bad boy. Getting into this product with my Asian chopsticks. I am very excited for this product. Very simple product, however, exciting to me. This product actually comes from a company called AUTO-VOX, and what this is a wireless solar panel motherfucking backup camera. That is right, this backup camera is only powered by solar panel, which means there's no wiring at all to the car. Inside the box, we get this little remote for turning on this UHD 25-inch TV. We also get the 25-inch UHD TV, the suction cup mount for the TV or monitor, a USB for charging the solar panel, a car cigarette lighter to power the monitor, and the main star of the show, the solar panel backup camera. So like I said, this is actually a completely wireless, it has got a wire in the middle, so I'm kind of lying about that, wireless backup camera. Not even a sensor, a camera, boys. Mate, it even comes with a 10-inch bloody TV. So honestly, this is like a product that I've been looking for a while. There's no drilling needed. It comes with these adhesive pads. Nice. Which you stick to the back of the number plate, so it just sticks out like that. Boom. And also, it is powered by a solar panel, so you don't need to wire this into the car or anything. Okay, so we have obviously reversed the car back into the drive, as you guys can see. Whew, look at that fat ass. Oh jeez. So then basically I've got these little clips on the screws, so I've just unplugged them, and now what we need to do is untighten them, take the number plate off, and then this will actually clip behind the number plate. So honestly, very nice design. Let's do it. Okay, so I've obviously just got my little, don't know what the fuck this is called, angle grinder, I don't know. So obviously the first thing we need to do is take the number plate off. Right, so number plate is now off, as you guys can see. Honestly, look at this number plate. It's like, it's 3D, but it's like gel. Look how sick that is. Anyway, number plate is off now, and obviously we want to clean this up while we're back here anyway. We also need to flip this over, and we need to clean the back of this so it has a good bonding surface. Let's quickly clean this bitch off. Looks like the tissue paper when I wipe my arsehole. Right, so back of it is nice and clean now, and obviously the back of the number plate is nice and ish clean. It's only going to be like on this little bit, so it doesn't have to be sparkling clean. But now what I'm obviously going to do is I'm going to stick the adhesive onto here, and we're going to put it on the car. Honestly boys, tell me why my number plate literally looks like it's a spy. Literally, look at that. Let's get this screwed on the car, and then we can we can set up all the interior stuff, like the massive 25-inch TV. Right then, you guys tell me what you think of the look of that. To be honest, I don't think it looks too bad. And right, let's shut the bonnet. It looks like it's almost got a moustache. Alright then boys, so I've actually been gone for about a week. And you might be wondering, why'd you go for a week? One fucking word. Curry. So you're probably very interested in the monitor. So obviously we have the monitor right here. It's not connected to anything, but we have set it up. So the cigarette lighter is currently there. It's currently running through here, down underneath the mat, and we're gonna run it up the weather seal to this mount, which it has right here. And look at this shit, bro. It mounts to the bloody dash. Look at that. The good thing about this is obviously you can disconnect it quite easily, you know. You don't want to be leaving this in your car or leaving it, you know, visible. I also forgot to mention that the remote, I've just stuck it on the magnet here. I don't know where to put it yet, but you can put it literally anywhere you want. Or you can put it up here. That's mad. That would be mad. Imagine you having the thing there and then you could just press it and then that would, you know, turn on. So let me quickly show you guys the back of it. Oh shit. Right, so here is the solar panel itself. It's all on. Got the camera facing down, nice. So now that you've seen the actual, you know, thing of it, let me know what you guys think of it. Yeah, I don't think it looks too bad. There you go, and it should come on in 3. I just forgot to mention, I didn't turn it on, so there you go. Now it says AUTO-VOX, and boom! Look at that! Look at that shit. Boys, we've actually got the backup camera, and honestly, the quality of this backup camera is really good. It's perfect for, you know, the size of the screen. So you can see it's got the guidelines and you can actually adjust them to your specific, you know, the need of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly take the car out for a little spin. For anybody who's saying it's locked down, I will be going to the co-op and just taking a little detour. Come on, go wipe your vagina if you're so upset with that. So yeah, let's quickly take this out for a little spin, give you guys a few examples, and then we will also take it out in the night. Maybe not completely out, because I have no reason, maybe just down the road. So I took the car out, and honestly, first impressions of the backup camera, it is beautiful. The quality of the picture is perfect for the size of the monitor, and you can see all the details you need to see, like curbs, stuff like that. Stuff you need to see, you know, so you don't hit your car. So then I took the car out and did multiple things to show you guys, you know, the uses of this. First thing I did was reverse into a bloody wall. So I didn't think to myself, you know, let's reverse into like a hedge or something, so that if it doesn't work or if it's got a little bit of lag, then I'll just go into a hedge and not a brick wall. But, you know, obviously reversing into a wall, you know, went very well. Obviously I didn't hit it because this reverse camera showed me how close I was to it. Mate. People probably are wondering, watching this video, being like, that's nothing. My bloody 2020 BMW 1 Series has that. If you have a BMW 1 Series, get the fuck off my back. Come on. You shouldn't be watching this video. Now, obviously, I've always wanted a backup camera in my car. And there's something so nice about being able to see if there's a man laying on the ground behind your car waiting for your insurance details. And yeah, obviously, I've got a 2013 tuk-tuk. So, you know, it's not got one. So this product is very cool to me because I've had to do no wiring from the front of the car to the back of the car. So do I like the camera? And 100%, I think everybody could tell from my reaction to this camera, yes. Oh baby, yeah. Even in the night, here's some night footage. As you guys can see, the quality in the night, you can see everything you need to see, and normal cameras would struggle being able to see what this camera could see, but I can see everything I need to see, and especially in the dark bit, I think it's a sick idea. 100%, I'm sticking by my point. Now to remove this, obviously all I've done is unplug this from there and lift it up and tug it out there. And then you can either take this inside or leave it in the car somewhere valuable. But I'm gonna take it inside because, bitch, nobody's getting my camera. Okay, well, alright then, boys, so that is unfortunately the end of today's video. It is absolutely roasting in this car right now, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. That is unfortunately it for the backup camera. Really, I think it's actually a sick product, and it's definitely sick for me because I've always wanted a backup camera and I've always never wanted to drill holes in my car and stuff like that. So to have this completely solar panel backup camera is freaking sick. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff for more behind the scenes and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video. What?